Hello friends, my name is N. Rahul. I came from Kannur district, Andhra Pradesh. I did my graduation in BTech Civil Engineering from RGM Nandyala. 2 months ago, I joined in Caddesk Regional Center Ameerpet branch. I learned softwares like AutoCAD, SketchUp, V-Ray, and I successfully completed my courses within a duration. And then I get a job in designing organization UBC. And these guys are also providing for CAD courses for civil engineers, mechanical engineers, electrical engineers. And they are also providing good infrastructure along with experienced faculty for teaching. If you are planning for your better and brighter future, please join Caddesk Regional Center, Ameerpet. And these guys are also having branches in Mehdipatnam, Dilshuk Nagar, Marathahalli, Bangalore. I strongly recommend you to join in Caddesk Regional Center, Ameerpet branch, and also you get 100% job assistant. Thank you, Caddesk Regional Center, Ameerpet branch.